How to copy entire ChatGPT conversation. Have you ever had an incredibly productive ChatGPT conversation that you wanted to save, share, or reference later, but had no idea how to copy the whole thing at once without manually selecting every single message? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you every method available right now so you can save your entire ChatGPT conversation quickly and without any frustration. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're covering exactly how to copy an entire ChatGPT conversation in one go. Whether you want to save your work, share it with someone else, or store it for future reference, there are several clean and straightforward ways to do this without losing any formatting or missing any messages. Let's get straight into it. First, let's start with the simplest built-in method that most people completely overlook. Inside your ChatGPT conversation, look for the Share button at the top right corner of the chat window. It looks like a small box with an arrow pointing outward. Click it and ChatGPT will generate a shareable link to your entire conversation that anyone can view simply by clicking the link. No ChatGPT account required on their end. Second, if you want to copy the actual text content of the conversation rather than just sharing a link, the most reliable method on desktop is to use your keyboard shortcut. Click anywhere inside the conversation, press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select all content on the page, and then press Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy everything to your clipboard at once. Third, open a blank document in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or even a simple Notepad app, and paste everything using Ctrl-V or Command-V. This will drop the full conversation text into your document where you can clean it up, format it however you like, and save it permanently to your device for future reference. Fourth, for a cleaner and more formatted copy of your conversation, use your browser's built-in print function. Press Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac while your ChatGPT conversation is open. Instead of selecting a physical printer, change the destination to Save as PDF. This creates a perfectly formatted PDF document of your entire conversation that preserves all the text exactly as it appears on screen. Fifth, if you're a regular ChatGPT user who frequently needs to save conversations, consider using a browser extension specifically designed for exporting ChatGPT chats. Extensions available on the Chrome Web Store allow you to export your full conversation directly as a PDF Markdown file or plain text file with a single click, saving you significant time compared to doing it manually every time. Sixth, on mobile devices, the process is slightly different. Open your ChatGPT conversation in the app, tap the share icon at the top of the screen, and use the Share to option to send the conversation link directly to your Notes app, email, or any other app installed on your phone where you want to store or access it later. Pro tip: immediately after any ChatGPT conversation where you've generated something valuable like a business plan, a piece of writing, a strategy, or detailed research, make it a habit to save it right away using one of these methods. ChatGPT conversations can be difficult to locate later inside a long chat history, and there is always a risk of accidentally deleting them. So saving important conversations the moment they happen protects your work permanently. So to recap, use the share link for quick sharing, use select all and copy for fast text capture, save as PDF through your browser's print function for a clean formatted document. Try a browser extension for regular exports, and use the share button on mobile for on-the-go saving. Every one of these methods is completely free and fully within ChatGPT's terms of service. If this video helped you save something important, hit that like button, subscribe for more ChatGPT tips and tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me, what kind of ChatGPT conversations do you find most valuable to save and why? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.